Student, today we are going to discuss about the gravitation full formulas. Gravitational force, the force of attraction between the two objects. Okay, G is a gravitational constant, M is the mass 1, M2 is the mass 2, and D is the distance between the two mass. Okay, it is called force of attraction between the two mass. We can call as a gravitational force. Okay, the next one I am going to teach you what is a unit of universal gravitational constant. Okay. Capital G we can call as universal gravitational constant. Force is Newton, distance is meter square. This I am bringing here. Mass will be kg, that I am bringing here. Newton meter square divided by kg. If you are solving this dimensional formula, you will get like this. Okay. Now gravitational field is going to be force per unit mass. We can take it as a gravitational field. Okay, force divided by mass, one mass will be get cancelled, remaining will be as it is like this. Okay, here you can take it d for the distance, longer distance. The some object on the surface of the earth, here you can take it as a r. Okay. U is the gravitational potential energy, negative G M1 M2 divided by D. Okay, work done is equal to force into displacement. No, this force into displacement, the square will get cancelled. You can get universal gravitational gravitational potential energy. Okay. The next one, gravitational potential energy by time, energy by mass. Okay, mass get cancelled means you will get like this. Two mass will be there. Now only one mass will be there. Gravitational potential formula. The next small g formula, G mm divided by r square, capital G universal gravitation constant, m is the mass of the earth, r is the radius. This calculation will give us 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, it's a acceleration due to gravity. Okay, the gravitation at depth G is equal to 1 minus 2h divided by r. H is the height. Okay, this formula you can use when the object at some height from the earth's surface. You can use this. The same formula, the gravity at the depth. Okay, here 2 won't come. Only I instead of height to depth you can write it. This is a formula, you can use it as a gravitation at some depth. Okay, in case some height gravity is equal to depth gravity. Okay, so some in case height is 1 kilometer, now how much the same gravity will be produced in a depth? Okay, 2 kilometer. That's a relation we have to take it. Okay, if you are making this two equation equal means you will get this relation. Okay, this is one of the important relation every year they are asking in a NEET exam. Okay, it is escape velocity formula. And the next one, I am going to teach you orbital velocity formula. Orbital 2 won't come, escape 2 will come. Okay. The next total energy formula. Total energy, kinetic energy plus potential energy of mv square minus g m1 m2 divided by r. Okay. Your square will come because it's a potential energy. Okay. So I want what is mv square? Just I am going to simplify this equation. Centripetal force is equal to gravitation force, or r square get cancelled. So finally mv square is equal to this much. If you are substituting is in this equation, you will get as total energy like this. Okay, total energy I got. The next one, relation between time period and radius. It's square times is cube radius. Okay, this is orbital radius and it is a time taken. Okay, it's a very important relation. So already I told you centripetal force is equal to gravitational force, r get cancelled, get cancelled. V in circular motion, displacement is going to be 2 pi r, time period is t. Okay, so V is 2 pi r divided by t. If you are square this, 4 pi square r square t square, this equation I am going to prove. Okay, is equal to g divided by r. So finally I will get as r cube is equal to t square, remaining will be constant terms. Okay. So t square is directly proportional to cube of radius. Okay, it's very important formula. The next one, acceleration due to gravity when 0 meter per second square, that is a time, weight will be 0 Newton. Even mass is 5 kg, 10 kg, 50 kg, whatever, the weight will be 0 Newton. It's called weightlessness. This will be happen at exactly center of the earth. Gravity will be 0, otherwise the object is coming down with the velocity with the acceleration of 10 meter per second square. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you everyone.